Welcome back to our Halloween special. If you get easily scared, then don't watch this video. If you don't, then enjoy. We made this chicken parmesan especially for scary Halloween parties. It looks terrifying, but at the same time is delicious. For this recipe we used fresh mozzarella, a good quality pasta. This is the key ingredient. We will speak about the importance of good quality pasta in a future video. Extra virgin olive oil, flour, panko or breadcrumbs, a few eggs, homemade tomato sauce with basil, green olives, parmesan, pecorino, but you can use provolone if you want, and last some chicken breast. For the exact amounts, look in the description below. We start by slicing up the chicken breast as you see here. We slice it in half, but we are not cutting it all the way through. We want to double its size in order to have a nice big piece. We don't throw away the trimmings, we will make some crispies. When done, we cut 2 pieces of plastic wrap and we put the chicken between them. We use this technique to pound the chicken because it will give a better end result. We want a thickness of a 1/4 inch. If you want, you can let it thicker. We season with salt and ground pepper on both sides. The meat is ready for a hot oil bath, so we prepare 3 plates, one with the panko, one with flour, and one with a few whole eggs. We want a nice golden color, so we mix to the panko some parmesan. We dip the chicken breast in flour, we coat it in the beaten eggs, and last we transfer it to our panko. Repeat for each breast. When done, we leave them to rest for 15 minutes. While they are resting, we heat up 1.5 cup of olive oil in a large skillet on medium heat. When the oil is hot, we start by cooking the chicken until golden on both sides. We set them aside on paper towels to be sure that we get rid of the excess oil. At this point, our chicken is not fully cooked, but don't worry, because it will finish cooking in the oven. Remember about the trimmings that we've got earlier? We will cook them until they are golden and crispy. They are amazing with some mashed potatoes or french fries topped with some nice garlic mayo. Now comes the fun part, which involves some artistic skills that we talked about earlier. We want to get a shape that reassembles as a face, but we cut out a semicircle at the top. We grate the Parmesan and the pecorino on top, we add some fresh mozzarella, and we add the homemade tomato sauce where the mouth and the eyes will be. We cut our olives in half. Those will be the eyes. The prep is done, so we preheat the oven at 210 degrees Celsius or 410 degrees Fahrenheit. We will bake the chicken for roughly 10 to 15 minutes, until the cheese gets bubbly and golden. While the meat is in the oven, we cook the pasta. We add the water in the pot and we bring it to a boil. We add the salt, followed by the pasta. We cook it al dente. Check the cooking time on the package. Our pasta is ready, so we add a small amount to a plate and we put our chicken on top. We do the last touches to our dish and the Halloween chicken Parmesan is ready. If you enjoyed our video, then don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment below. Also, if you make any creepy dish for Halloween, then post it on Instagram and tag us in your post. We will share 3 of the scariest looking recipes. Happy cooking and see you on the next one.